beautiful morning, and it's time to get ready for another day of school. Wonder what it's gonna be like being popular again. Okay, let's just wear my headband. And I'll wear this to school. I'll wear this to school. Actually, I think I'll wear this. No, it doesn't suit my color. Sure. Okay. I want these. Okay. Good enough. All I need is my books. Just get my backpack. Let's put my phone in. Wait. I don't need my mini backpack. Okay. Let's grab my books and let's go. Mom, Dad. Oh, hey, sweetie. Are you ready for school? Yeah, I'm ready. I just need to go put this stuff in my backpack. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get dressed and... Okay, you know what? Let's just go. Okay. So, why are you acting so weird? It's not like there's any special things today. No, there's not. Okay, let's go. Okay, bye, Mom. I don't care. Oh. Hey, Beck. Hey, you. Out. Look. Just snow here. Okay, everybody. Today we are going to be... We're going to be learning math. Skip to the point. I already know this. Oh my god. He really is actually taking down these notes. So, everybody, teacher, can I make an announcement actually? Sure. Is it about math? Yeah. Everybody, guess what? Huh. Yeah, what? What do you want? Yeah, I'm so confused. Let's just say that Mr. What's your name? Matthew. Mr. Matthew is writing down notes, actually. Hey, it's not funny. I like this. Hey, everybody, I found his nickname. Mr. Matthew, Mr. Matthew. Stop, it's not nice. He is right. Paige, go sit down. Fine. Paige, that's it. It's detention. Whatever, I'm used to it at this point. This isn't the only class. Okay, babe. Let's go. Hang on. Oh, he's crying in the corner. Hey, what's wrong? I know, I shouldn't have bullied you like that. Stop, it's not nice. I know, but you really want to beat that test tomorrow, don't you? Yeah? Well, watch this. Your homework is gone. Have fun getting it, loser. Bye. Man, you're so good. Oh my god. Paige? Yeah? Can I get a selfie with you, please? Sorry, I don't have my phone on me, but my phone is in my backpack. But you said you don't have your phone on you. I know, I just didn't want a picture with 3, 2, 1, cheese. Oh my gosh, I need... Here, I'll take a picture of you too. Okay. 3, 2, 1, smile. Yeah, right. What's so bad about that? Yeah, we don't smile. You can say that again. Oh. You're losers. I'm sorry. What did you just say? Nothing. Fun. And she thought she was strong. Okay, just gonna wait for them to get home. Hey, Beck. Hi, Mom. Hi, Peja. Hi, Beck. Do you have anything planned for dinner at all? Because me and Beck want to go out to eat. Not really right now, but you two can go out. Come on, Beck. Oh, wait, yeah. Can Beck come over? Well, he's already here, so yeah. Thanks. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Man, I love your house. It's so pretty. Oh, I love your room too. Thanks. I'm an only child. I'm so special. Because they don't have anything else to worry about. Just me. Yeah. You've got it good. I know. Would you mind stepping into the living room for a second? I need to change. Oh no, that's fine. Okay, let's put on this. Okay, you can come back. Okay. So, how do you like it? I love it. Ooh, do you think we can make some slime? Sure. And you know what? Let's just do it on my white carpet. Yep. What else do you want to do? Maybe we can make some TikToks. Sounds good. 3, 2, 1. Lovely, sweetie. Listen to this one. Okay. Lovely. Now we're gonna go. How was school, sweetie? I've heard you've been getting bullied. I'm sorry we don't have devices and stuff. Besides the TV, we can't contact the school. It's fine, Mom. I haven't got bullied. But why does my sister get all the cool stuff? 'Cause she's younger. She's more special. To be fair, that is true. Oh, good. And he thought he was special. I love our kids. I know, dinner was so good. Yeah. But we should go there more often. When are you thinking about proposing to me? We're already 18. And I'm already 18 and you're 20. When is this gonna happen? Dude, I'm gonna propose to you real soon. Just don't even think about it. Mom, thank you so much. Mom, thank you so much for saying yes to back sleeping over. Yep, thank you. You never asked me about that. So what? I just said you said yes, so yeah. She hasn't had a sleepover in a while. Babe, just let her have one. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Let's put my mini backpack aside, my phone. Just change into pajamas. You can just go borrow some of my dad's clothes. They'll fit you, trust me. Okay. I could sleep in this. I always sleep in sweatshirts and stuff, so it works. Okay, you ready to sleep? Yeah, I'm ready to go. So sleep. Okay, just remember tomorrow, don't forget your slime. Okay.